Everyone, hello. This is your man my people, today na about Chidima, my darling. This Kokokere waka wey they do with flavor so me the thing they shocktalize me You know if you tell me say this one are just ordinary friends of na come they do now. For that one I not believe am because this one I play don't pass Joromi. It don't pass Joromi my dear Chidima, I beg. This one way they do with flavor so I beg me they not consider country join this single mother so they don't for flavor. Me they not go country join am I beg. Because this one what you they do so. Not let tomorrow now they'll go still count you. Join and now say now you can still be another single mother. I beg. Flavor. 2 women. Now they'll both for flavor. What do you want to born now? Join now. Flavor will only use you and dump you. You see that he waste when they throw if they do music so go only throw for you. You go see both you. My dear, go look for your own man. If you find small girl, go look for your own man. Maybe yourself if they follow. This one what they do with flavor, so not they lead it to anywhere. Young guy there now we go like you know one follow one. If they look for flavor, they go. Me don't understand you now, really. Fine girl like you, small girl where guys go they rush one follow. What you can't see for flavor body? What the flavor gets because of that waste where they throw. Now die they throw Luna. What did they there? You don't go see all those things for another guy body. You be small girl, fine girl. This one where you just they do, what you they do so, What you just they do so. When you just they do so, it not go lead you to anywhere. Really, not go lead you. I beg. And for advise you, may you suffer. Go look for young guy, small boy, the way you be. May you suffer the follow. We go suffer love you. Not be this flavor where you just they do so. It not go lead you to anywhere, my dear. It not go lead you to anywhere, really. I will just advise you. May yourself just go look for young guy. Because flavor, it will only just use you and dump you. All those ones we just do it and so for Instagram, for everywhere. My dear, don't do one for all those the baby mama then. He don't do one for those ones, he not lead them to anywhere. He not lead them. So advice when I just get for you, my dear, my darling. Please go look for young guy. Because Chidima, if I will go advise you, listen to this my message, go look for another guy. Because this your two of una play. You know, tell me say na ordinary play be this one. This one not be ordinary play. This one pass Joromi. This one, he pass Joromi. I beg. Go look for better fine boy. Me don't understand though. Me don't know what to see for the flavor body. But then I die waste where they throw. Then they throw Lunalo. Me I don't know. Because I don't know what they flavor body now. All of them I want just faint for. Me I don't understand though, my people. See trauma now we just they come that everybody just love them. Once they go follow man and flavor, now you go they carry. Now wow. I don't say flavor not water, but you water but my dear. 2 women don't both for her. Flavor no matter all those now you will come marry. You go only job use you go dump you, my dear. I not lie you, So if you go find young, fine guy, me you follow. You be fine girl. I don't know what they do with flavor. Go find small boy, me you follow. I don't know what to see for flavor body. That's the worst way they throw when they go they sing. Then they trail you now. I don't understand though. Anyway, everybody get with it like sha. For me, for some reason, you go look for young guys. So I just want to use this small video to advise you, my dear, my darling. Go look for young guy. May you follow. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. If I not talking well, my people want to take them from me. So that's what you think about the video. Leave your comments for the comment section. No, Chidima, make you hear them, cause I don't wait to see for flavor body. My people wanna see help me advise her. So thank you, bye everybody. And if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. Man, don't insult me for comment section though. Now my own voice now say man see talk oh. Wanna beat me in the house. Thank you, everybody. I remember your sister, your friend, your everything. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.